In this video, we're going to talk about templates. These are email templates. There's a base gallery of templates that we provide, and there's going to be more added that you can go in and modify and suit your own needs, or you can just create one from scratch. I don't know why it's doing this. I'll check on developer, but anyway. You could start out with any of these pre-made templates, or you could start out with a blank template, whichever you prefer. And then you could save your templates, or you could even upload templates. So let me get back to the beginning here. You could start out, like I said, using one of the pre-designed templates already, or you can create your own from scratch, whichever you prefer. And we have different categories and so forth. And like I said, we'll be adding more as time goes by. Let me just show you the ability to upload. Like I said, you can upload templates as long as they're HTML, pure HTML. They don't use anything other than JavaScript and CSS and HTML files. That's it. Zip it up, give it a name, and upload it to here, and that'll be your private template. And you can find templates free all over the internet, so if you look around, you'll find them. They're easy to come by. So anyway, let's cancel this. You go back, and I'll show you some of the features of both the Pro Builder and the Classic Builder. We'll go into the Pro Builder first. This is a drag and drop editor for the most part, and you can do all kinds of fancy stuff with it. You have all kinds of different elements that you can add, such as logos, columns, images, videos, social links, whatever you like. There's plenty to choose from here. And then you have the tags that you can use, that you can add into here. For example, let's say you wanted to address your recipients by their first name. Then what you can do is you come over here, you select the tag, and then you can see that you have these different options here. And all you have to do is, here, let me find the one that's for, like if you need to put an unsubscribe link, which it automatically does for you, but you need to have one in each email. You can put the subscriber's name, where is it? Contact name, there it is. Copy, and then you can put dear, and then you just paste that in, and a comma. You might want to make sure it's formatted with the correct font and font size, and so forth, and then just compose whatever you need in here, and then you can either save it or save and close. With this, like I said, it's a standard builder, so you can either delete, you can move it up, you can add code if you need to. It has a code builder built into it, and like I said, it's a really handy little item, and it works really good. So let's cancel out of this, and now I'll show you what the Classic Builder's like. Now the Classic Builder is what we had in the original version of AltMailer, and it works really well. And as you can see here, you have the same tags. And the kind of cool part about this is, what it does is it, like for example, if you want to insert a tag, just have your cursor wherever you want it, for example. And let's see, where's contact name, list name, contact address, city. Oh, here it is. And then you put, like I said, dear, contact name, and there you go. And you can add these anywhere in the content that you want. So it doesn't have to be just a heading like that. It can be anything you need from here. And then hit save or go back and so forth. And that's really all there is to it. Get in there, play around with your base templates. If you have any templates you want to upload, or if you find any on the internet you want to upload, go right ahead. And that does it for this tutorial. I'll see you in the next video.